Learn how to use widgets in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the widgets feature in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. So widgets are basically shortcut to a particular app which you can easily access. So how can we use that in our Windows 11? For that, you need to take your cursor at the left bottom corner and hover over it. Then you will see a screen which has widgets over it. As you can see in my laptop, I have the weather, games, and photos and also map widget. Now if you want to add a new widget, what you need to do is click on the plus sign and then you will see a list of options of the application whose shortcut you can add as widget. You can see a Facebook, photos, sports, family safety, watch list, weather. So I'll add weather. You can see the option of pin, and as you can see, it has been pinned as widget. Now if you want to change its size, all you need to do is click on the three dots and then you will see the option small, medium, large. I have chosen the size medium. If you want to fit in a little bit more smaller, choose the option of small. And that's all. That is how easily you can use the feature of widget in Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.